This Nigeria is becoming scarier and scarier by the day. Bro, this Nigeria is scaring me at this point. Now, this story I'm about to share now is one of the most scariest stories I've ever heard from my life. It's currently being handled by the police. And as a matter of fact, I won't know. And that make me want to share and make everybody know what they go on. Like, I won't know how this matter go end, bro. This is like a horror. Now, what happened? This man on my screen, his name is Mr. Richard Ekpebu. He's a real estate agent in Bayelsa. As a matter of fact, he's the vice president of all real estate agents in Bayelsa. So around June 2025, he was contacted by this guy, George Idumage, also known as Pastor Brandy. So Pastor Brandy contacted him because they've known each other for a long time. Pastor Brandy said, Mr. Richard, I won't sell one land, I need money. Being that you are a real estate agent and the vice president, it go easy for you to sell. I beg, help me market the land. So when he told him, say paper day, say everything, all documentations are correct. So from that June, Mr. Richard started to look for buyer for the land. Around July, Mr. Richard can't see buyer for the land. He can't call George. Say, oh, I don't see buyer. They want to come for inspection immediately and they are willing to pay immediately. Being that you are the landlord, or you are come with the papers. Mr. George now came. The people that wanted to buy the land, they now sent a representative. That one saved day. Then the real estate agent, Mr. Richard, 3 of them, they were there. So they inspected the land and they said they were going to make payments that day. They will make payment because they trust Mr. Richard and his position in Bayelsa State, saying I be the vice president of all agents. So they need to trust him and not get where to go. So they now said they want to pay money. That which account will they pay to? They now say they should pay to the landlord direct, which is Mr. George, a.k.a. Pastor Brandy. They say, okay, now so they wire and go Mr. George. When they wired the 9 million straight to Mr. George, they were now asking, say, okay, where papers? Mr. George now said, I beg you, I forget the papers. The papers, they Port Harcourt. I only came because I want to know if you people are serious. Nobody say, oh, paper, I can't do paper up and down. They say, okay, they understand. Now, the people said, no, we're not going to let you go until we get papers. Then Mr. Richard now said, una no trust me. George, I have known George for years. You understand? Now my guy. Make George go Port Harcourt, go bring the papers. I'll collect the papers and I will hand it to you. So that was how those people left Mr. George and Mr. Richard. So Mr. George can't go, can't leave Richard, which is the estate agent. As he go, the next day, Richard can't call George. Pastor Brandy say, how far now, where the papers? Make I carry and give these people, let's close this deal. You understand? George saying they busy, they do 1 or 2 things. The next day, Richard say, how far George now? Bring these papers, come. These people are disturbing me. Story enter. 3rd day, story enter. 4th day, story enter. Mr. Richard.